was praying to the birds for divine intervention. And that's very common because birds are used as biological indicators. In fact, earthquakes, typhoons, if you happen to see birds flying above us in a certain pattern, oh, that's a good indicator that it is now safe to return. So please look for these kind of signs. Now in every disaster, we are given a chance to rebuild, assess our mistakes, and to learn from them. Always remember,
diba? Kalaysa sa production. Apil po ang manok. Oh no, manok. Malupad na
manok. We hope you had fun. We hope you learned something new today. But most importantly, we hope that you would cherish this moment that you have with you with your friends and families while spending in this very beautiful place that we call the Malagos Garden Resort. By the way, this is the cast and crew of the longest running interactive bird show here in the Philippines, which by the way, we have been doing for the past 20 years already. So with that, for our final word, it's going to be Rookie is going to say to everyone, bye-bye! Daghang salamat o mayong buntag kanatong tanan.
Yay! Ang birdie!